Hi, this is Dan from nCamp. At nCamp, we focus on making compact camping gear and elevating your experience. I'm going to talk a bit about the nCamp stove and how it is unique. There are many ways to cook on a campsite, most of which are driven by what kind of fuel you use. While there are many solid and liquid fuel options, the most common are probably wood and gas. Gas is a great fuel because it burns fairly cleanly and you have a lot of control over the intensity of your flame. However, once your canister runs out, your stove is kind of useless. Wood or twigs are a great fuel because in many places there's an endless supply. That means you really don't have to carry your fuel and you won't ever run out. However, you have less control over your flame and you often get some residue. One of the benefits of gas stoves is that they are very small. However, as I said, you have to carry your fuel and you have a finite supply. One of the things that I find annoying about these stoves is that you usually have a precariously perched pan on top of a tiny flamethrower. While it is possible to cook safely, some people find it to be a challenge. There are a number of common wood or biomass stoves which offer good performance and other benefits. However, they are often bulky, or in this case, a bit of a project to set up. While you can collapse them down a bit, the size and shape often make them awkward to pack. The nCamp stove is unique because it can burn wood and gas in addition to a few other fuels. This means you don't have to choose between a gas stove or a wood stove. There are a number of things we tried to accomplish with the design. First, as a wood-burning stove, we tried to reduce bulk. The combustion chamber is collapsible, so you aren't packing a lot of air. Overall, the stove packs flat, like a book. Next, it is very easy to set up. And once it's set up, it provides a very stable cooking surface. The top surface also provides a place to set utensils, which means you don't have to set them in the dirt. As you can see, the combustion chamber is tapered. This creates a Venturi effect, which allows wood to catch very quickly. About a handful of twigs will give you about 10 minutes of heat. When it's time to refill, move your pot, drop in some more wood, and keep burning. The nCamp stove can also use gas when you add the nCamp gas adapter. On the bottom of the combustion chamber there is a gas port. Simply flip it open and add our hose and burner. Then connect it to a gas canister, and you're ready to cook. As a gas stove, it's larger than many other gas camping stoves. However, the combustion chamber concentrates heat from the burner, improving efficiency, and helps protect the flame from wind. Additionally, it provides a very stable cooking surface, and you can control the intensity of your flame. If you run out of gas, simply remove the gas hardware and you can burn twigs. To summarize, the nCamp stove allows you to cook with wood and gas in addition to other fuels. It is compact, collapsible to about the size of a book, and it is very easy to set up. It unfolds to provide a very stable cooking surface and provides a place to set utensils when you're cooking. Because of the shape of the combustion chamber, fires start very quickly, and a handful of twigs will give you about 10 minutes of heat. When using gas, you have control over the intensity of your flame. The combustion chamber also concentrates heat, which improves efficiency, and it also protects the flame from wind. If you run out of gas, simply remove the gas hardware and use wood. All of these things add up to a better cooking experience. For more information, images, and videos, please visit us at www.ncampgear.com.